Just a few days ago, it was the time for weed pesticide spraying. We got some feedback from our users that they don't know how to use the reference point function and the calibration function. Today, we will talk about the meaning of these two functions and how to use them. First, I will show you some key points of the reference point. The position of the reference point is fixed relative to the field. The reference point should be easy to find. The drone can be placed stably, open area and no signal obstruction. So we recommend that you find a place which is suitable for takeoff as the reference point. The reference point can be set inside or outside the field. In actual operation, we found that many users set reference points at random locations. For example, it is wrong to put the drone on the roads between fields or road without marks. Before we talk about the reference point, let's talk about the calibration first. Actually, the reference point is set for calibration. Put the drone on the reference point and then click on Calibration on the interface of Agriculture Assistant app for calibration. Here is an example for you. Map the field and then mark the reference point. Mark the intersection on the boundary line of the football field as a reference point. The location of this point will not change relative to the position of the football field. It is an open area with good signal and the field is stable enough to place the drone. Place the drone on the reference point, which is the intersection of the boundary line of the football field and the midfield line. Click Calibration on the calibration interface. The calibration is completed. We can see the gray part on the map is the original field, and the blue part is the field after calibration. Some users think they should move the drone so that the drone icon is placed on the reference point on the map, but this is wrong. Some other users may not place the drone on the actual position of the reference point, and no matter where the drone is, they just clicked on calibration anyway. Both of these operations are incorrect. The wrong operation will cause inaccurate operation and drone crashes. That's the end of this tutorial.